Cameron Hoshmi, starring Scout and the Sheriff.
Seth Hughes as Calpurnia and the dog.
And as Jim and Atticus Finch, Adam Clinker.
What you looking at? That old dog down there. That's Tim Johnson, ain't it? Yeah, what's he doing? I don't know. We better go home. But Jim, it's February.
Oh, really?
We're going back to see Calpurnia. Fine. Calpurnia, come outside. What's the meaning of this, child? What's wrong with that dog out there?
Oh, Lord, it's a mad dog. I best be getting Atticus. Hello, operator? Give me Atticus. Yes, sir. Atticus, it's a mad dog. Yes. Thank you.
There he is. Don't take all day. Mr. Finch, this is your shot to take. I haven't taken a shot in 30 years. Mr. Finch, this is your shot. You're the best shot this side of Macon County. Now I need you to take this shot. Fine. You were a little to the right, Mr. Finch. Always was.